Bonjour. Today we learn a few greetings in French. Firstly, what are greetings in French? It's les salutations. Please repeat with me. Les salutations. Hi in French is salut. What is it? Salut. Good morning or good day in French is bonjour. Bonjour. Good afternoon in French is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Good evening in French is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good night in French is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Let's see how much do you remember. What is good morning in French? What is good night in French? Bravo. Well done. Let's move ahead. Some other greetings. Thank you in French is merci. Merci. Thanks a lot in French is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. The response to that, the formal one, is je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. The informal one is de rien. De rien. Now one very important greeting which you must know and must use the first time when you meet somebody. It is nice to meet you, which in French is enchanté. Enchanté. The answer to which is likewise. In French, de même. De même. So somebody says enchanté, you say de même. Now let's learn how to end a conversation in French. Goodbye in French is au revoir. Au revoir. Just make sure that you use this one judiciously. Never say au revoir after a fight. It'll mean goodbye, I'll never see you again. Okay, this one has happened with me. Make sure you don't use it like that. The next one, the informal bye is salut. So salut is an informal hi as well as an informal bye. See you later in French is à plus tard. À plus tard. See you soon in French is à bientôt. À bientôt. See you tomorrow in French is à demain. À demain. Have a good day in French is bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a good evening in French is bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Now let's learn some must-know words in French which you can't do without. Yes in French is oui. Oui. No in French is non. Non. Sorry in French is désolé. Désolé. Please in French is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Sir or Mr. in French is monsieur. Monsieur. Which is generally followed by your last name. For instance, Monsieur Dupuis, or in India, Monsieur Gupta, for instance. And ma'am or madam or Mrs. in French is madame. Madame, which is also followed by your last name. For example, Madame Kukreja. And that's how we conclude today's session. If you really want to learn French, make sure you watch French content on a daily basis. For that, do subscribe to my channel, and if you want live classes with me, please check out the descriptions below. Merci, à bientôt!